Hi, my name is Rob. I had a full arch done here at BayView Dental. My smile, I mean, it's, if I had a glass of wine, it's like soaked up in my teeth. Coffee soaked up in my teeth. I had a little gap, a front gap, and then, years ago, and this is, it tells you my age, but it's when they could bond a little gap, but that doesn't last forever. So in time, it just wore down. The gap became a little bit bigger, not the gap between the teeth, but really like in the middle of the teeth. It didn't match what I do. I'm with customers all day long, clients all day long. I travel for work, and I just wanted it to match who I was. When I was researching what I could do to fix it, looking at crowns, looking at veneers, and I really wanted the best long-term option. And when I came across it at BayView Dental, I realized they had the most options available, right? And their staff was fantastic, explaining a lot of stuff that I did not know or what to expect. And I just felt very comfortable here at BayView Dental. When I walked out after the initial prep for the new uppers, they gave me temporaries. It looked fantastic. When I left, I felt very comfortable, like it was still my smile. And then very soon after that, my full set of the new me was here. Since the work was done, like really within 24 hours, I had some friends that I'm doing a lot of Zoom meetings now because of the way the world's operating, and it was incredibly noticeable. I mean, I had people comment right away, your teeth look great, they look fantastic. And a couple days after that, we left for Jamaica because our oldest daughter was getting married. And automatically, you notice it in every picture that we took, the compliments and what you have done. And really, I could tell. People would look at me and they knew something was different, but they couldn't put their finger on it. And then obviously, I let them know what I did here at BayView Dental. And they said they did a phenomenal job.